If you want to keep parts of your design safe from accidental edits, knowing how to lock layers in Pixlr is a must. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to freeze a layer, confirm that it's locked, and unlock it again whenever you need to make changes. This is super useful when you're working with text, images, shapes, or any important element that should stay in place while you continue editing the rest of your project. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look over to the right side of your screen and find the Layers panel. This is where all of the different parts of your design are listed. Now left-click the layer you want to protect. Once you click it, that layer should be highlighted so you know it's selected. Next, you can either right-click the selected layer or click the three dots icon on that same layer row. Both of these options will open the Layer Settings menu. Inside that menu, look for the Locked option. Click the toggle switch to turn locking on. As soon as you do that, Pixlr will lock that layer so it can't be moved, edited, or changed on your canvas. To make sure it worked, check for the padlock icon next to the layer name. That icon is your visual confirmation that the layer is now frozen. If you try to click and drag it on the canvas, nothing should happen, which means the lock is active. This is especially helpful when you finish positioning a logo, headline, or background and don't want it shifting by accident while you work on other elements. And if you ever want to make edits later, unlocking is just as easy. You can click directly on the padlock icon to turn it off, or in some cases, double-click the layer to unlock it quickly. Once it's unlocked, you'll be able to move and modify it again just like normal. So that's all there is to it. A few simple clicks in the Layers panel can save you a lot of frustration and keep your Pixlr project organized. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Pixlr tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.